How to install Fire Kirin app on Android. Want to start playing Fire Kirin on your phone? Let's get it in just a few simple steps. Unlock your phone and tap the Google Play Store icon. This is where the magic begins. At the bottom in the search bar, tap the Fire Kirin facing online. Look for the official version by the Pinny. Tap on the app, then hit install button. The download will start right away. Just make sure you have got a good internet connection. The install button will change to play. That means it's ready to go. Tap play to launch Fire Kirin. You can now log in with your account or register for a new one and start fishing for the rewards. And there you have it, Fire Kirin on Android, ready to play. If this helped you, hit like, and if you have any question, drop them in the comment and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Catch you in the next one.